Hey, welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. Doc Martinez here, and I got a little something to show.
What could it be?
But to show, I think I need to pour myself a little drink. I'm gonna give myself some Wild Turkey 12. We'll talk about why in a second here. Let's just pour some of that out. So, today, this just came in, hot off the press. What is it? Kentucky Bourbon Festival for this year. My passes came in. Get to see kind of what this looks like. So you have a little bit of the chart, you have the events, and then in the bottom here you have our passes. And yes, I have 4. Why do I have 4?
Although why, I do not know.
Because it's myself, my wife, and 2 of my daughters, and we got 4 passes to go this year. Pretty freaking excited. Can't wait to go. Just 2 weeks away.
How long? Weeks.
That's why I decided to pour myself some Wild Turkey 12 to celebrate, but also because somebody won the stag on my last live, and this is going to the lockbox next. Your very own Wild Turkey 12. So you have a chance to win this. Check out my next live, hopefully next Sunday. Well, hope to see some of you here at Kentucky Bourbon Festival. Hope to see some of you on my live next week on Sunday. Cheers, my friends, to our next journey.